Looks like I'm white. It looks like he's just gonna... Oh, he didn't enclose. That's different. We're just gonna be patient and back off. No need to Tanuki and try and do too much too early. He played here. I could play here, but then if he plays a move over here, it feels like he's developing this pretty easily, but not sure if that's a big deal. We'll go ahead and just approach his corner, try to develop the top side. Okay, he attaches. That's okay. Not really a big fan of the Atari, so I always just extend here and get rid of the tiger's mouth. And his shape is not that good here, but he has a stone here, so I don't see it ever really getting into too much trouble. But he didn't respond up here, so we're going to go ahead and press him down and try to make the top side as big as possible. And we're also reducing his side over here. So I can approach here, here, or I can enclose my corners. But also 3-3. Not sure which I like. This is the wider side, and if he pushes up here, I probably have to do something on the top side. So playing here first, so that when he plays here, he can't develop too much on this side, seems like a good idea. Okay, he just backs off. We're just going to try and slide into the corner and then make a base. Okay, I'm okay with that. We can press down here to reduce later. He has a cutting point here. I think we'll go ahead and attach here, because he has to worry about the push and cut and getting these two stones cut off. Okay, we'll just block. I didn't feel like he could do that. Well, Hane once. So that when we go here, it's an Atari. So we can push here now. And he goes and captures. I feel like he should have played here at least once. But now I can cut him off here. I do have some weaknesses here he can aim at. But this doesn't really help him at all. I think I just Hane here. So I can develop the top side. His group's not alive. This group should be okay. Can't really make two eyes locally, so he has to run. So I should be able to develop the top side quite a bit. I'm a little confused why he played this one. He should have came out this way. Okay, if I go here, he can go here, here, here. I capture, he can squeeze under. Okay, so we'll just extend so he can't connect under. And he goes there. We'll just turn again, because again, we're trying to develop this side. We're not trying to kill this group. I do think I'm going to peep first. So when I turn here, there's a cutting point. If I go here, he pushes. When I go here, here, it feels like he has better shape. So I kind of like peeping here, which might make this a little bit stronger and makes it where we can actually cut. Okay, and we'll just extend. He captures. Okay. There is some Aji here, but I don't think it will die. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just try to enclose this corner and make this area as big as possible. So of course he's going to try to invade. So we're going to try and shift this area to this area. So we're just going to shoulder hit. And we're just going to let him live. And I think this is strong enough we don't have to worry too much about it. Okay, he goes there. We don't want to let him connect too easily. Okay, Hane. If he Hane's back, we can double Hane. If he pushes, we do have to extend, but that's okay. Because again, we're just trying to let him live here and shift our potential to this side. So he has to invade again. And then we'll just shift it again. And then he's living with almost no points, and we're gaining hopefully more than he is. Okay, he goes there. I think I want to Atari here. Gives us a few points, helps protect some of our weaknesses. And yep, it feels like he does have to play there. I feel like he could have at least pushed here, I block, and then he probably could have lived locally. If I capture, it fixes a lot of my weaknesses. But can he Tanuki? Yeah, probably not. I think he can still live. So I think, again, I'll just add a move here. So again, he lives here, he makes a few points, we make about the same, and then we just shift our Moyo to a different area. Okay, so here we want to protect the corner, so he doesn't have 2 bases. So our profit here is we shifted, we saw potential in the center, his group's not alive, but we made profit in the corner, and we made profit over here. And as he lives here, we should be shifting it to this side. So we should make at least a little bit more in the center as well. Okay, he hanes. Do have a lot of cutting points, so if he connects, I probably have to connect. Yep, we'll just connect here. This is still not alive. If I hane here, there's still some Aji here. And if he extends here, that's not Sente. My corner is fine. He can't really just jump in here, I don't think, because I can just push and cut. If he turns, we hane. We lose a little bit, but we still get quite a bit of it. So now we're going to try and reduce the bottom side and maybe grow this a little bit more. So we're going to shoulder hit here. And jump. And if he just tries to connect under, we're pretty happy because we're getting a few extra stones on the outside, which helps develop this. Which he's probably going to have to jump in here sooner or later. So we want to make it as strong on the bottom as possible to where he doesn't have anything to run to. So he goes here. So he's trying to stop me from like playing here and hane and getting a nice wall. But he's losing some points when he does this, and then there's still some Aji over here. So we'll go ahead and reduce his area. And if we push here, this also has some weaknesses. And Score Estimator is saying white's winning by about 50 points. Turns here. Not really sure I understand this one. This stone doesn't really matter. I'm assuming he wanted to protect his corner, but playing a move here would be much bigger, because I would have to play here because this is not alive yet. But I can still play moves here, which I lose some of the Aji here, but I don't think I really want to invade here and try and kill this. My main goal is just to keep growing my center. Okay, so he's trying to reduce a little bit. Yep, we can just play some forcing moves here. Try and stay connected. And I think we just jump here. Yeah, we'll just jump here. Again, trying to cut off the center. And that's why I was so confused about this move, because it looked like with this move he was trying to prevent this, but then he changed his mind. Okay, we can just block off the center still. This cut doesn't matter yet. And we can still kind of just push it out. Or we can even sacrifice these 3 stones, and that would probably be big enough. There's a chance he's trying to kill this, but I don't think that's possible, but it could be. I think we're just going to play here. If we have to sacrifice a few stones, that's okay, as long as we get the center. And ideally, I'd rather sacrifice these stones here than the 3 here, because this would be worth a lot more. Yep, just block. So if he goes here, we just go here and kind of squeeze. Yep, I think we'll go here. I want to save these 3 stones. And if he pushes here now, I don't think it really works. I'm not sure about this one. I guess he just doesn't want me to capture him, I guess. But if he hanes here, we can still connect. If he pushes here, we can kind of just turn it. But right now, I'm kind of worried about this group. He's very strong here. He has some stones here, so I can't really run out. So I think we're just going to try and make this 100% alive. Okay, and he's trying to reduce the center some more. We do have some cutting points. I think I'll just peep here. And then connect. So I don't really want to let this get cut off. So we'll just go under here. If he cuts, we go here, and then he shouldn't be able to connect to these. Okay, we'll just split here, nice and safe. He goes there. Okay. We can push here, because if he cuts, we capture. And this is pretty much alive. So I don't think I have to worry too much about connecting here. If he cuts, I mean, we can just turn here. But he didn't play over here, and this is not 100% alive. So I think I'm just going to Hane here, we'll Atari, and connect. So now we don't have to worry about this group dying. Yeah, we just Atari here. And this is pretty much safe, so now we can play more in-game. This move is really big, it gets rid of a lot of weaknesses here. And I can attach here. This one's big. This turn is probably very big. It's probably bigger than you would think. And we can also play this one because this group's not alive yet. This one seems the most sente, so I'll go ahead and play this one first. Okay, we'll just connect. It's very close to being dead, but I think it's alive. There are some weaknesses there, but we'll go ahead and do this one. Maybe he will attach. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna stay connected. And here. So we should get Sente here. Unless he doesn't care about that. Okay. We can play this one, but this turn feels very, very big. It's really good for eye shape. And if he plays here and we go here, later there's some Aji here. But now that we've played here, we can even like push through here and here. That's also pretty big. Okay, we'll just protect our corner. And it looks like he's trying to get in. Yeah, we'll just protect the center. I don't want to let him connect too easily. I do feel like there is some Aji here. Okay, so he's trying to do something in the corner, but we're just going to connect. Thinking we're probably ahead. What does it say? Yeah, it says we're winning by about 40. So we're just going to play it safe and protect the corner. Let's go ahead and see what we can do with this group. Because if he just blocks here, we can throw in, he captures, we go here, and it's dead. If he goes here, we have to go here, and then he has to go here. Because again, if he goes here, we just throw in and kill. So it feels like he has to connect here, or maybe here. If he goes here, I think we just Hane. If he blocks, we go here. That looks like Seki. This one, I believe we just go here. Maybe that just lives. So we go here, he blocks, we connect. He captures, but it's 4 stones, so he lives. But now we have forcing moves like this. So, gets us a little extra. And we'll just connect. We're ahead, so we're just going to play nice and simple everywhere. Goes there, we'll just connect. Like a move here is looking really big. We'll just Hane connect. Goes there, so it looks like he's aiming at this double Atari. I think I'll peep here. It gets rid of this eye and should be Sensei. And we can play here, which is aiming at cutting. Oh, did I mess up? I did. Oh well. I was thinking he had to play here first and then could double Atari, but oh well. Pretty sure we're just so far ahead it doesn't really matter. Yeah, still says about 30 points. Okay, he does protect. And we'll just Hane here. So now that got reduced quite a bit. Just connect. He connects. Yeah, that was pretty big. We'll Atari here. Not sure if I want to push, because then it lets him play this move. So we're just going to Hane. And if he goes here, he has to come back and connect. And, I think we'll just connect solidly. I think I'll just do this one. So then we have this Atari later, which could be a Ko. Okay, just connect. But this should be a fun game to review. Won't be too long, and I'll have it uploaded onto Patreon. And, I don't think there's much left. I don't know. I guess we'll just Atari and play here. Okay, he blocks. We'll just Hane here. This looks like the last big in-game. Guess this one is here too. We'll just connect. And he Tanukis. Okay. I think I'll play here to get rid of this point here. And he can play here to get rid of this one. Okay, we'll just go ahead and connect that now. He goes there. I don't really see any weaknesses, so we'll just prevent him from getting an eye here. Okay, and he resigned. Guess he realized, yeah, he's still about 30 points behind. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I would like to thank all my Patreons. Really appreciate the support, and I will see you all next time.